It's the 22nd of April here in the Verdenshagen community garden just outside of Trondheim in Norway, and it's a cool day, about 8 centigrade. The birch leaves are just about coming out, and you can just about see the flowering Norway maple in this wonderful old alley on the north side of the garden. Here I've created the world garden, and I'm going to show you a few plants that are growing here. This video is about this plant here, the Virginia or eastern waterleaf of North America. The waterleaves, Hydrophyllum, is a genus of 7 or 8 species across North America. This one, the Virginia waterleaf, is from eastern North America and the Appalachian mountains, and also in the Midwest, and it seems to love it here in Trondheim in this rather sunny conditions. It's a woodland plant in North America, and unlike in North America where it goes dormant in summer in the hot dry conditions there, here it stays green all summer and seems to thrive with it. It spreads very slowly with rhizomes, and so this patch was just one small patch a few years ago, and it spread rather nicely, and interestingly it's approaching another plant of the Appalachian mountains, cut-leafed coneflower, or Rudbeckia laciniata, called Kyss meg over gjerdet in Norwegian, which means kiss me over the garden gate, a very popular ornamental plant in Norway, and one of the most important vegetables of the Cherokee people in the Appalachian mountains, known as Sochan over there. And it's interesting that these two rhizomatous plants are approaching each other, so there'll be a battle to see who wins by the foreguard of the cut-leaf coneflower approaching this big clump. In North America, this is also become known, at least for the colonists, as Indian salad or Pawnee salad, at least some of the species. There are 5 or 6 species across North America, and they're called waterleaves because of the fact that the young leaves have small blotches at the bases of the leaves, as you can probably see here. As they grow older, the blotches disappear, so resembling a little raindrop at the bottom base of the leaves. So it spreads both by rhizomes and by seeds. And interesting, I just noticed amongst the Rudbeckia a little clump of seedlings which have probably germinated fairly recently. Okay, so in Norway there is a very nice clump of this in the woodland garden at the Botanics in Tøyen in Oslo, and in the Chelsea Physic Garden in London I remember seeing a small patch with a sign saying that this plant had been cultivated there since 1739. It was also used by the Native Americans as a medicinal plant. The roots are supposedly also edible, but I've yet to try that. Indian salad became the name. There's like a William Barton, who in 1818 mentions that the leaves of this species are praised by the white settlers. I have one other waterleaf species in the World Garden here, and it's a species from Western North America. It's not come on as far, it's only started appearing in recent days. It's Hydrophyllum tenuipes, as I say, from Western North America. This is also spreading quite nicely, slowly, with the rhizomes. And yeah, it's just about me. We can hear the redwing singing in the background. The rain's just coming on, so I'd better stop.